Hello class. Today we will be doing question number 4 of page number 21 of lesson 2. Now there is one correction in this. What is application software? Write in brief about any 4 application software. I have already given you this answer in the last video. But here the question is little bit wrong. Write in brief about any 4 application software. Here you can see first of all application software. Application software is again divided into general category, general purpose application software, and what it is given? This specific purpose customized application software. So application software is divided into 2, and in the last video I have given that what is application software and about this general purpose application software and that. But in the question it is asked write about any 4. Now the question will be, you write it in your copies, this, all the children please copy down this in your copy. Question will be, write in brief about the general purpose application software. This is the one amendment I want to do in the question number 4. That is also correct, but the answer will be that if in exam the question comes write in brief about the general purpose application software, then you will write this answer what I am giving you today in this video. So here is the answer. Any 4 application softwares are word processing software. First is word processing software. A word processing software is used to create and edit documents using text data and includes data formatting tools. It is generally used to create content like poem, invitation, letters, etc. The main purpose of this software is that it facilitates in creation of presentations. So already I have explained you. So here is the first one. Come to the next one. The next one is the database software. It is a collection of data. The purpose of this software is that you can organize and manage data. In this software you can change the way the data is stored and displayed. So this is second. Come to the third one, that is spreadsheet software. It is used to enter data in a tabular form, specify formula and manipulate large amount of data in various ways. So this is the third one. The fourth one is the desktop publishing software. In this process of using this software, the computer and specific types of software to combine text and graphics to produce documents such as newspaper, books, etc. This data is already used for what? Newspapers, brochures and books. I already explained you in the chapter. Then the fifth is, this is an example of multimedia software. This software will allow the user to view, create audios and videos, and also used to listen songs and watch movies. So here in this one I have given you 5, but in the question it is asked any 4, so you can write any 4. I have given you 5. Why? You can learn any 4 on it. If it in the answer it comes 5, then you can write all the 5. But if it comes 4, 3, 2, so you can write on your that basis. So according to that I have explained what was the question asked in the book. I have given what is application software. Write in brief about any 4 application software. Here they should mention any 4 general application software. Got it? General purpose application software, it should be mentioned. If it is not mentioned, then you write the answer what I have given you in the last video. And if the question is asked write in brief about the general purpose application software any 4, then you will be writing from 5 any 4. Now come to the extra question, children. There are very few extra questions in this lesson. That is this one. First is, what is software? The collection of computer program that provides instructions to a computer is known as software. What are the common utility software packages? Common utility software packages are antivirus utility scan for computer, viruses and remove them. Second, data compression utilities output a shorter stream or a smaller file when provided with a stream or file. These are only two because this is a short type answer. If it is come in explaining, then you can go to page number 16. It is already given in detail. Can you see these points? Page number 16, the utility software, you can see this, and the explanation is also given here. So from here also you can write. I have chosen only 2 points for the short type answer so that you can revise, because already in this chapter the answers are very much longer. So I have done it for you. Now question number 3 is, what is compiler? Question number 4 is, what is assembler? So it is already explained in the answer. Which answer I will tell you, wait. This one. What is language processor? Write in brief about the language processor. In this we have explained the assembler, compiler and interpreter. So from there only you will learn the compiler and the assembler. So no need to write the answer, only write these 2 questions. Question number 3, what is compiler and what is assembler? Answer already you will be learning from the copy only. So no need. So here we have completed the chapter. In the next video we'll start with the new chapter. Thank you, children.